Hello YouTube, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my no big deal starter motor for my Infiniti G35. I just ordered. I'm gonna see if I can do an installation also of that motor for you guys. So basically that's the way it comes in the box. I bought it on Amazon, cost me a total of $99 including tax. I have very good reviews, but you know how it goes with the reviews. So let's see here what we got in the box. That's the way they come in the box. Oh, you can see here this box has some damage. I just unlocked the box. Oh, I hope that this is not in a bad shape. All right, let me take it out. Sorry about the camera. I'm doing it with one hand. All right, so this is what we got. So the box comes damaged like that. I hope it's not horrible. Sorry, I'm doing it with one hand. So let's see. I hope it's no damage. So here's what we got. Okay, so this is supposed to be, I think, this way. It's supposed to be like that. You got two screws, one here and one there. So you got two screws for the motor. This doesn't look damaged like many people complain. So it looks good. 2003 to 2004 Infiniti G35. So this is the part number right there. And I bought it at Amazon for my Infiniti. Okay, so I'm gonna do a next video, see how good it will perform, and also the video how it's gonna install. I don't see any problem, everything's fine. I don't have my glasses with me, but everything looked good. Everything looked good with the starter motor. Again, feel free to subscribe. And any suggestions? That's the motor for the Infiniti G35. Again, any suggestions? Let me see if I can do the installation underneath of the car. Let's go close to the transmission connected to the flywheel. Again, 2003 Infiniti G37. My Infiniti only have 132,000 miles so far, which is low miles for that particular year of the car. Again, subscribe, like, and share.